Hi, sunshines. How you girls doing today? Today, I'm excited because I'm going to be talking about the handbag company, Patricia Nash. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. Let's get started talking about Patricia Nash. So without any further ado, you guys know me. I love Patricia Nash, and I picked up another Patricia Nash handbag. So I wanted to share her with you guys. So today I have this lovely bag. And I was at, once again, my local TJ Maxx, and I picked up a lovely Patricia Nash bag. So let me go ahead and unveil this beauty and show you girls what I picked up. She's so pretty. She's so gorgeous, you guys. So this is her right here. I was able to go ahead and pick up a Patricia Nash Sabina. Now, I do have a Patricia Nash Sabina. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I have this lovely bag in a lovely magenta color. However, you guys, when I saw her in the store, there's the lovely magenta, beautiful pink. It's a shade of pink. When I saw this beauty in the store, the first thing I said to myself was, no, not again. We're not going to go through this again. I don't need two of an identical bag in my collection. Normally, that's a no-no for me. I don't really like having too many duplicates unless it's like the Dooney & Burke satchel. I have a weak spot for the Dooney & Burke satchel. But normally, I try to not have the exact same bag in numerous colors. However, you can't fault me, you guys. I couldn't resist this beautiful sun yellow color. So I know this looks like orange. However, the official name of this color is called sun yellow, and it's so beautiful. One thing that I love about Patricia Nash is her beautiful vegetable tanned leather always looks so oily and shiny and beautiful. The vegetable tan leather for Patricia Nash looks so beautiful. It's always just like a beautiful, beautiful butter leather. So this lovely bag, the Sabina, was offered on QVC in many different patterns, many different lovely prints, and many different lovely patterns. You could see there was a lovely Birds of Koi. That's the name of one of the patterns for Patricia Nash, as well as there was a tiger print pattern and so many different patterns. There was a lovely beautiful bone color or a crew color that's like a white color that's so beautiful for Patricia Nash. And this is the lovely sun yellow. Now, I did bring a Patricia Nash wallet in a lovely orange color because I wanted to show you the difference between the orange and the sun yellow. So you can see right here, my wallet by Patricia Nash is in a beautiful orange color. And then the Sabina drawstring bag is in a lovely, what they call sun yellow. So these are some of my accessories that I plan on wearing with this lovely bag. I did want to say that I'm so in love with this drawstring bag. It has a long strap that I'll be able to wear crossbody, as well as you're very lucky when the bag comes in with this accessory right here, with this extra little pouch, because all of them don't always have this little pouch accessory. Sometimes you have to go ahead and purchase it separately, but this beautiful bag is going to look so pretty. And I also thought I would be able to pair it up at some point with my Patricia Nash scarf. Some of the lovely models on the Patricia Nash website is wearing some of these lovely, beautiful Patricia Nash scarves in various patterns. One of the lovely models has the same exact print and pattern that I have right here. And she has it matched up with beautiful black pants, or you could wear it with black denim or blue jean denim jeans and a lovely white tank like I have on today. This lovely scarf would look so beautiful. As well as, in the winter time, you can go ahead and wear winter scarves with your lovely Patricia Nash bags and other bags. But in the summertime, it's so nice to have a summer scarf. And then they also have the lovely lemon. It's pronounced lemon, but it's like a lemon pattern for Patricia Nash with the lovely scarf. And it's so nice to wear it in the summertime and just, casually toss it around you. It looks so, so beautiful for Patricia Nash. And I just thought that that would look so, so pretty with my beautiful new drawstring bag right here, the Sabina. So I just thought these colors would look so pretty. Let's go ahead and cut this tag off so we can get this tag out the way. This beautiful bag is going to look so, so beautiful. Now, another thing about this bag is it has an intricate inlet design or an intricate eyelet design, what I call an eyelet design, but it's basically a perforation in the leather. It has a perforated leather on the front pocket, which at first, initially, I wasn't really a fan of perforated leather. However, I ended up purchasing a Chanel from Fashion File that has some rounded, circular perforations in the leather. And this lovely Patricia Nash handbag has some like diamond square designs in the front pocket. And that is perforated leather, you girls. So initially looking at some of the patterns for Patricia Nash, I have to admit, I didn't think I was going to be a leather lover of the perforated leather, but I've fallen in love with these Sabinas. And I enjoy watching Patricia Nash on QVC. I enjoy watching her talk about these lovely Sabina bags with the different leathers. And you could see when they were offered on QVC, they came in all the different beautiful patterns for Patricia Nash with the different koi, birds of koi, as well as the different bone colors and the tiger print patterns. But the birds of koi was so pretty. Now, I like looking at the birds of koi pattern, but for me, that pattern is a little bit too busy in a handbag. I like looking at it in the handbag, but I prefer, for me, the birds of koi in like one of the accessory pieces. That denim dress that model has on looks so beautiful with the Sabina bag. Crossbody, and there it is in boho India. The boho India pattern is very, very beautiful as well. It's a very intricate, ornate design pattern, but it's really, really pretty to look at. So I think I'm going to enjoy my lovely bag in the lovely sun yellow right here. I think the color is just so beautiful. So, so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that tag off. And this bag does have feet as well under it, but I'm going to go ahead and clip this other tag off right here for Patricia Nash so I can start enjoying this beauty in my collection. And let's take a look at some of these other accessories that I think I'm going to pair this lovely bag up when I start wearing it. And don't worry, you girls, I will be back to show you lovely ladies what all can fit in this lovely drawstring bag. But today I just wanted to take a look at the beautiful color and do my reveal. So I think I'm going to also be able to match her up with some of my other patterns. Like this is a coin purse in lovely Old English. It's in the beautiful pattern Light English Country by Patricia Nash. That would look pretty nice. Because the bag is a solid color, I wouldn't mind going with the intricate pattern for my accessory. Or I can keep it simple and just go with like a more plain color that would match up with my Patricia Nash pieces, as well as this beautiful rose tooled piece. Now, girls, Patricia Nash is known for her rose tooling. The rose tooling on this Cassini would look really, really nice with this bag as well. So I think all these lovely different accessories would look so, so nice. Then if you wanted a little bit more color, I can go with this beautiful pattern right here with the lovely flowers, much like my scarf. That looks beautiful with the sun yellow. It's going to be hard for me to remember and always call this bag sun yellow because it does look like it wants to be orange. But once again, like I said, it's not orange because this is the lovely orange color right here. This lovely smooth vegetable leather is sun yellow, you guys. And this Sabina in the drawstring with the intricate perforated leather is just so pretty. I'm going to enjoy this bag in my collection. I'm so glad I was able to find this beauty at TJ Maxx. And if you watch my channel, like I said, you know I have the Magenta. So they're going to be a beautiful set. And I guess every once in a while you have to break your own rule. Every once in a while you have to get duplicates in your collection if you really, really love a bag. So thank you, girls, so much for joining me for my bag reveal of my lovely Patricia Nash Sabina. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more Patricia Nash videos, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.